Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have with me the Poco M3, which is the OP phone as people all say. So let us see the unboxing of this video and my first impression about this phone. Also guys, we are doing a giveaway of boAt smartwatch Enigma, which you can find in the description box below. Also the link might be flashing somewhere out here, wherein you can go and participate. The results I'm going to announce on 15th of this month. So go and participate. So guys, we have the Poco M3 box in front of us with the branding, and mentioned here is 6000 mAh battery and definitely a made in India product. Also in the side it's mentioned as India's #1 quality smartphone brand. So we will go inside and see what the quality looks like. On the top there are certain specification which has been mentioned and the contents in the box, which there is an adapter, there is an USB Type-C cable, SIM ejector tool, user guide manual, and a soft case inside the box. On the back end side of the box you can see this, there is a 6000 mAh battery which gives you 2 days of battery with 18 watt of fast charging, and it also supports reverse charging guys. It also comes with a 48 megapixel triple camera. It has got a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor, and it has got a full HD plus display with 6.53 inches. Also guys, it has got a dual speaker, and it also supports 12 volt E, and it has got a 6GB RAM with an LPDDR4 RAM. Now let's cut open the box and let's see how the products look inside. As you will open up the box, you will be welcomed by the Poco branding, and then you will find the SIM ejector tool. And as you can see here, there are certain documentation which you can go through it, or we'll skip it for as of now. And once we go inside, we can see that clear case, which is a good thing, which comes along with the phone. This is a soft silicone cover as you can see here, and it is white in color. Let's keep it aside and let's see what is there inside the box. So we'll keep the phone aside for some time and then we will see inside. So here you can see the 18 watt fast charger, and definitely this is an USB Type-C. As you can see here, the charger is an USB Type-C, and this is also an 18 watt of fast charging capability. The battery out here is 6000 mAh battery, which the company claims can give you up to 2 days of battery life, which is really cool. We have the phone in front of us right now and it looks gorgeous. If I have to talk about the screen size, it is 6.53 inch full HD display, and it weighs only 197 grams guys. Also the front screen comes with an Corning Gorilla Glass 3. If I have to talk about the physical buttons, it has got a side mounted fingerprint scanner which is pretty much quick as I have tested it, and up is the volume rocker button. And below you can see the speaker grill along with the microphone hole and with the USB Type-C port, which you can see here. On the left hand side you can see the SIM ejector tool, and on the top you can see the stereophonic speaker along with the 3.5mm headphone jack. So, and in the front of the screen you can see the dewdrop front camera which is there in the screen. Guys, the back of the device, as you can see it here, it has got a texturized material, kind of a leathery finish, but which is not, I believe, but it looks really cool. And also in the back you can see the big Poco logo branding, which is quite loud and vibrant. In fact, in hand it feels quite light and compact. It is not that bulky. It feels good in hand. In fact, it has got an OP appeal in fact. So I think look wise this is an OP phone. So guys, let us quickly set up the phone and let's see what is there in the software. As you can see here in the screen, it has got an MIUI 12 out of the box, and if I have to talk about the processor, it has got a Snapdragon 662 platform. And if I have to talk about the processor, it is basically a tested and tried processor, and basically it provides a good AI performance and a good camera features which will be available in this processor. Now this processor is tried and tested like I have told you, and it is supposed to perform good. But nowadays there are much more better processor which you can find in different mobile and devices. And if I have to talk about the UI experience, guys, it says that it has got a Poco clean experience, but to be very frank, guys, I have seen that there are lot many applications which gets installed as soon as you power on the device. There are a few bloatwares which will pop up sometimes, but not much in comparison to earlier when we used to find lot of bloatwares and advertisement which used to pop up. So user experience, I think with MIUI 12 it is good. As you can see here, the storage capacity and everything which has been mentioned here, and it has got an Android version 10 out of the box, which is good. And the device can be a little bit fast. What I have seen, the 6 GB RAM performs good for a for a daily or for day-to-day task, but the animations, the scrolling is not that fast enough. But with this price range, I think I will not even complain, because this phone comes at a price of rupees 9,999, close to 10,000 rupees, and I think with this price there is not much to complain with this Snapdragon processor. I think this is good to go. Also guys, I have tried the fingerprint sensor which works pretty good. In fact, it is pretty much fast as you can see here, and I have no complaints whatsoever regarding the fingerprint sensor, which works fine. Well guys, in the bright daylight, as you can see here, the phone screen quality is good, but could have been much better with regards to the brightness, but no complaint whatsoever. The back color of this phone looks really nice and vibrant, as you can see here. Also guys, this has got a dual speaker. It has got a stereo speaker which gives a good multimedia experience with this phone. Look wise, I think there is no complaint, and it has got a 3.5 mm jack too guys. So screen quality is really good for media consumption. So guys, here you can see the video quality. I have played a video on the phone, and also you can see hear the stereo sound effect on this phone. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, fly with no regrets. So guys, coming to the gaming experience. So here you can see that I have been playing the Call of Duty mobile version, and I have kept the settings to the high, and also the frame rates and the resolutions I have kept it to the high settings. I have not seen any kind of lags or any frame drops while playing the game. There was no lags at all, in fact. While if I talk about the heating of this device, there was a little bit of heating, but not that much to complain with. I think that is normal when you play a game for minimum of 15-20 minutes, which I have been doing it, and the device has heated up a little bit. But with regards to game quality and the resolution or the frame rate, I have no complaint with it. Well guys, I took few of the photographs, and as you can see here, I have clicked few of the photographs, and the color contrast and the brightness looks absolutely fine, and the portrait does its job but could have been much better. This is one of the night shot, but I think it has done its job good. Well guys, I'll try to show you more of photo and video samples in my upcoming video, but the phone calling and everything was nice, crisp and clear with regards to the sound. Coming to my final impression guys, I think with a price range of 10,999, this phone look wise is an OP phone definitely. With a 6 GB of RAM and with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor, I think it does its job for day-to-day activity perfectly. With regards to the quality and the sound and the device, I think it is good within this price range, but I think few of the things could have been much better, like the UI experience, because it says that Poco Clean experience, which I think would have been much better. With an 6000 mAh battery and with fast charging, definitely is a welcoming feature. And with an Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and with full HD plus display, this is also a very positive thing. So I think you guys can go and check this out, and you can tell me in a comment box below how do you feel about the phone.
So guys, I hope you have liked the unboxing of this product. And also guys, I'm gonna do a full review of this product. I'm gonna talk about the various advantages and disadvantages. So do keep on subscribing to my channel and do let me know your thoughts on the comment box below. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.